What's up? This video is going to be very little edited, including that part I just messed up. With my recent transgressions with being out of a job, I decided it was best to get back into coding. However, I realized that was also a problem. In the past, I've owned 2, 3, 4, 5 computers. I sell them, I reinstall Windows. I don't pay any attention to the documents. I just copy and paste into a folder and I call it XPS 2010 or whatever. And doing that, I realized I made lots of duplicates. So I've been going over my files tonight to try to find out which which files I can delete, because I just want to condense it all, right? So doing that, I sort of stumbled upon the very first website I ever built for college, and it's horrible. It is atrocious. But I remember at the time building it, I was like, yeah, all right, I did good. This is great. I got an A. I was like, awesome. And now I look at it and I'm just like, what in the, oh my, no. So if you see this file right here, final project. Now when I read that, final project alt, now notice the alt. I use the terminology alt for when I make something and I was like, ooh, I have an idea and I want to check to see if I like that idea. I create a copy of it and the old one is called alt. So that whenever I'm doing the new one, if I don't like what I did, I can just revert back to the old one. Because on my home computer, I don't generally deal with version control and Git and stuff. So I saw final project alt and I was like, okay, this is probably the final project I made for college when I graduated, like my capstone project. So I kind of honestly just ignored it because I'm like, if you look at my folder structure right now, this is my coding folder, right? These are the ones where I'm like data table throw. That means I can probably throw it. I want to see what else I have on that, right? Here I have final project alt, the one we're talking about. So I'm just like, okay, it's the final project. Let's see how many other final projects I have. Where's the original? Why is this the alt? I didn't even bother to go into it and look at anything. So if I go into htdocs, I have htdocs. Within htdocs, I have activation htdocs when I was activated for the Minnesota National Guard. Had a computer, and within there is another htdocs. A bunch of these are duplicates of prior folders. Brandon Kelvin YouTube. That was my original YouTube name. Well, one of many. Brandon Kelvin portfolio. There's a ton of those. I mean, even within this file, there's another htdocs with more files that are duplicates of the previous files. So as you can see, it's a mess. Over here, this is my current, what I actually want to work with. Where did everything just go? So back to where we were at. So I was looking through htdocs. I see final _ project. I'm like, okay, well, the name is different. This is capital final, capital project alt. I know that this is the one I was working on for my actual capstone project. So finally, I'm like, hey, let's actually open this up. Final project alt. And I noticed it was HTML files. My capstone was made with PHP. So I'm like, okay, this is weird. So I open up index.html, and I find this beautiful lyrical depth website, and I immediately was like, this is the first thing I built for college. And it's fantastic. It's actually horrible. Basically, it was a lyric website, lyrical depth, because most of the music I listen to for the lyrics. I like the music and all that too, but I actually pay attention to what the artists are saying. If I can't understand them, I'm not going to listen to them. So let's cruise this website real quick. Artist, got NF, Mansion. Okay, what? This is boring. It's so plain. And there was more than 3 songs on this album. Click into the song. Lorium ipsum dollar sit amet consec. You've just been cursed. I couldn't even bother to put the real lyrics up, or wow. Triply rise, same thing. It all just goes back to Lorium ipsum, however you say that. Albums, ooh, neat. Oh wait, what? I thought I made these where you could hover them, and they were gray, but whatever. The coolest part about this is the contact form. No, I'm kidding. It's songs. I can actually like search. If I only want to scroll down and just see NF songs, cool, click into the song. Again, go to the lyrics. Horrible site. Now, what I thought I built was my capstone project. So just give you an idea of like where I have come from to what I know now. To be fair, I'm like relearning everything because I haven't touched code in over a year. I built a crossword puzzle. So if we go into the game, we want to play the game. The words we're looking for is play, like that noise, game. I just won.
What did he say?
So you can play it when you're not a user. You can register to become a user. Oh, passwords do not match. Sorry, they must be between 5 and 16. I don't remember what I just registered with. Some user. What did I register with? Some person. Cool, now I'm in the game as a user. I can create a puzzle. I can log out because I'm going to show you as an admin what the admin can do. So I'm going to log in as an admin user. Fuck. I think this is yours. Yep. So if I'm in this mode, I can actually see the solution. I can, well, either mode you can add labels, see the solution. You can add borders. Looks like an actual crossword book now. I can change the puzzle. Any user can change the puzzle if they created the puzzle. So let's say I only want vowels to show up, which is what I currently had it at because I messed with that before I made this video. But let's say I want anything, generate the puzzle. I changed it down here to any random character. If I want letters from the input word to make it super difficult or make it easy depending on how you look at it, I did not mean to do that. Now it's only using letters from the words of the word bank. So you get the point. Like, I don't know. I just laughed when I saw this, and I just had to make a video because I thought it was hilarious. But that's my plan. I'm going to go into coding. I might record some stuff when I'm in that process. We'll see. Thanks for watching.